welcome to my channel, and just a short video about this cheap 3D printer. I purchased it quite cheap, like 35 euros, but had some discount and some coupons and so on. Original price is maybe around 100 euros full price, maybe 80 euros full price. It coming from temu.com. It's accused to be just a toy like that, but um, just listen me. If you want some cheap printer which will do the job, as you can see now in this video, it printing extension for filament holder. As you can see, this one can do just smaller 250 grams filament, but if you wanna use 500 grams, you need extension for this so it can fit up. And with this 3D printer you get a finished project for that extension. So for tryout I just used that, and as you can see, look at it, it's working just nice. It's printing. This is so far around 1 hour total time. Even I had some problems at the start of printer, adjusting height of stand and so on. You need to be careful about that if you buy it. If you want it maybe for your children as a toy, so they learn to work with 3D printer or so. Or actually it's about you have all with this printer, you will get all you need to start working. Even software for 3D projecting, for converting format to the format which printer accepted, printing from TF card. It does not have connection with PCs, so you can print from PC. It print direct from TF card, SD card or whatever. It does not support bigger card than 8 gigabytes, and it's quite enough, I would say, because surface which and total dimensions which can be printed with this printer is 100 by 100 by 100 centimeters. Sorry about for a lot of voices around me. My house is busy, quite busy at this moment, and my son playing games, and it's very loud. Nothing more than that. If you need whoever decide to take such printer, you see it from all sides, and if you have problems adjusting and so on, just come to my channel, subscribe and ask me. I will tell you how to adjust it, how to prepare it for first print, so you don't run into all problems I did. Even some reviews are very bad about this, but what I wanna say, I don't know how long it will last, and can you change nozzle to bigger one, heater and so on. I don't know about that, but at this moment what is important, out of the box it working properly, as you can see. So nothing more than that. I will not make long video about this. This is 3D printer from Temu, and it do the job, as you can see, properly. thank you for watching this, and bye bye till you next video.